I don't know that it's come out much on. Don't say anything incriminating now because I'm doing my...
God, I hate Israel.
Oh, that is pretty, isn't it?
Come on, they could go bigger than this.
Really? Oh. I mean, it cost a fortune, this.
Yeah. It does, it costs millions.
Imagine the one at
This
Sydney.
little doodad costs
Yeah.
little millions.
Yeah.
We can scratch it.
Oh, nice. Nice.
Oh, aren't they gorgeous?
I was basically Palestine.
Should have the ground.
The colours are just incredible, I think.